Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down the machine and unplugging everything. This prevents shorts and data loss. Once unplugged, press the case power button for a few seconds to bleed residual charge, then ground yourself with an anti-static strap to avoid ESD damage. Open the case using the proper screwdriver and immediately locate the M2 slot, usually near the CPU or chipset. Identify the securing screw and standoff. Now you can proceed knowing why each precaution protects components and your data. With the case open, you now loosen the small M2 retaining screw. Use steady pressure to avoid stripping it and place it in your tray. Once loose, grasp the SSD by the edges and gently lift the drive up at about a 20 to 30 degree angle. This reduces leverage on the connector. Then slide it straight out along the same insertion path. Move slowly so you don't force contacts. Make sure not to bend the card or touch the gold contacts, because oils or flecks can cause failures. After removing the NVMe, place it in an anti-static bag and store it safely. Reinstall the standoff and screw if the slot will be reused, ensuring the screw won't short other components. Once the case is closed and cables are reconnected, power on and confirm the system boots and all storage is detected. If you hit a problem, first reseat cables and drives, then check BIOS storage detection. Often a loose screw or misseated drive is the culprit, so double-check physical connections before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.